Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, overnight the Australian dollar did take a hit to the downside and went for the challenge of 73.45.55 before staging quite impressive rally and now attempting to reclaim the 74-cent region and look towards the 74.55.65. Now, what started this all was the strength of the US dollar coming back into play after it challenges a high of 95.16, previously was 95.20. Overnight, the Australian dollar did fall to a low of 73.42 before the bulls retaliated and quite respectively held above that level of 73.45.55. So I'm looking again to shorten this market towards the level of 74.55.65 and take profit. Nearly 100 points lower at 73.45 and reassess from there. The weakness with the euro overnight, of course, with the dollar index strengthening, it did stage a weak challenge towards that 116 level, and with the next level beneath there at 114.85, it's still vulnerable. Overall, I do expect to see further challenges to the downside, and eventually the US dollar will claim the highs around 95 figure 20 and then progress further above there. But at present, though, the euro still seems to be locked in this range of 114.85 to roughly around 117.5 to 118. Still, sell rallies towards 116.75 to 117.40 and look, as I say, towards that downside test eventually around that 114.85 figure, crucial level, because beneath there brings in a target of 112.80. The dollar yen took a challenge above 113 overnight and then slipped. Now, from the technical implications, we are overbought and there is some divergence here, as you can see from the rejection and also from the decline in the RSI. I feel the market will take a slip to the downside and look towards the region of 112.35 to 111.60.65 is where the base comes in now, where this support line comes in eventually towards this region. I feel the market will buy from there and take the challenge higher. So any weakness is a buy opportunity, as I feel the market could take out the level around that 113.14 and look to 115 eventually once the dollar index recaptures the bullishness. The pound took a stab to the downside overnight, and with further concerns that Mark Carney believes that the consequences if Brexit negotiations fail could have some repercussions to the downside for the pound. Overnight, the Bank of England, Mark Carney warned of interest rate cuts if the UK crashes out of the EU. News sources revealed that the no deal on Brexit would leave the European Union's financial system worse off in a no-deal Brexit. So just keep an eye on those comments. But overall, we took out the 130.60 level overnight. Therefore, I'm looking towards 128 region now. Sell any rally towards the 131 handle. The gold slipped lower overnight, but after breaking the support at 25, posted a low of 21 before rebounding slightly. It is today the market needs to recover. If it doesn't, then I'm getting further concerned that we could see a lows towards 112. But I don't have a strong view on this. We are extremely oversold, so it does warrant this sell-off since 113 to stage a turnaround very, very soon, and we could see a $15 rally. The resistance for gold at the present is at 12.30 to 12.35. And rounding off with oil, the market staged an impressive rally overnight, and at present from yesterday I didn't really have a strong view. Now we've got a bullish outside range day. If this is confirmed from further bullishness today, then we could be looking back towards $69 a barrel. Support on the day is seen at 66.60. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.